Alright, here we have the Hogan Street Railroad crossing in Tullahoma, Tennessee. So the first signal here we gotta look at, it has a safe tran base. And we got a safe tran gate mechanism. And here's the emergency information. The dot number is 3493860, and there's an old L&N dot tag right with it, right under it, in pretty decent shape. And the lights are safe tran 12 by 24 inch lights with freshly Hogan second generation LEDs. And the bell on the signal is a safe tran mechanical bell. Never seen one before. And the gate lights are either Rico LED or Rico incandescent. I'm not sure because I haven't seen a train here yet. There's Rico gate lights, probably incandescent. Across the street, we're gonna let this car pass. We're gonna let this car pass. Right now. The crossing is basically the same. Safe tran base on this one, and a safe tran gate mechanism, and more safe tran 12 by 24 inch lights. There's the emergency information. Hold on.
3338, alright, if you want to head on over here to Gentry Street, that vehicle is there. I'm going to go ahead and get a wrecker on the way.
You might have a train coming. The bell is a safe tran mechanical bell. I'll show it to you. And the gate lights are Rico LED gate lights. Or incandescent, I believe they're LED. So yeah, this is the Hogan Street Railroad crossing in Tullahoma, Tennessee. Over and out.